Jai Hind, my dear students. Today we are going to study multiplication and division of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. When a decimal number is multiplied by a whole number, there are as many decimal places in the product as there are in the decimal number. Okay students, shall we do the multiplication of decimal with the whole number? Listen one question. 0.31 into 4. How can we multiply a decimal number 0.31 by 4? Listen the step. First, multiply 0.31, ignoring the decimal point, we get the number 31 by whole number 4, ignoring the decimal point. Okay. So, we know this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. So, first this is the 0.31 is the multiplicand. Okay. And this 4 is multiplier. Okay. So, first avoid the decimal point. Take that decimal number as whole number. So, that is we get 31 into 4. So, multiply 31 into 4. Easy multiplication. 4. 1 4 is 4 and 3 4s are 12. So, we get whole number answer 124. But question is a decimal number. So, place the decimal point so that in the product there are this multiplicand has 2 decimal place. So, change into this product as 2 decimal place. So, listen that step. Place the decimal point. Place the decimal point so that in the product there are how many decimal place? This multiplicand 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place. Okay. So therefore we get 0.31 into 4 equal. See, this multiplicand has 2 decimal place. So, our answer is 1.24. The whole number answer is 124. Change into decimal place to the right to left. Right to left. So, here 1, 2 decimal place. So, we get 1.24 as the answer. Clear all of you? So, once more, first ignoring the decimal point, write the number as whole number. So, 0.31 we get 31 into the whole number 4. Multiply, we get the product is 124. That is also a whole number. But we write the answer is in decimal point, decimal number. So check how many decimal point is in multiplicand has. Here multiplicand has how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. So change into 2 decimal place. Ones place 2. Okay, right to left. Clear all of you? Okay, listen the second question. 0.28 into 2. So the first step is change into the decimal number as whole number ignoring the decimal point. So we get 0.28 point number, decimal number change into whole number, we get 28. Multiply by the whole number 2. So first write the decimal number ignoring the decimal point to change into whole number. Then multiply by whole number 2. Multiply by 2 into 8, 16, 1 balance. Then 2 into 2, 4, plus 1, 5, 56. Listen. Here the multiplicand has, here the multiplicand is 0.28. Multiplicand has how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. So we change into the answer as 2 decimal place. That means 0.28 into 2 equal, change into 2 decimal place. 1, 2. So we get 0.56. Clear? Listen the third question. 0.15 into 9. Here the multiplicand 0.15. Ignoring the decimal point, we get the whole number is 15 into whole number 9. So multiply 9 into 5, 45. 5, 4 balance. Then 1 into 9, 9 plus 4. Remainder this 4, we get 13. So whole number answer 135. But the question is in decimal number. So the multiplicand has 2 decimal place. So change into 2 decimal. 1, 2. 2 where to where? Right to left. Okay. 1, 2. So we get 1.35. That is 0.15 into 9 equal 1.35. Listen the fourth question. 4.182 into 7. Listen, here the multiplicand 4.182. Ignoring the decimal point, we get the whole number is 4182 into whole number 7. Multiply 2, 7, 14, 1 balance. 8 sevens are 56 plus 1, 57, 5 balance. 1, 7, 7 plus this 5, 12, 1 balance. Then 7 fours are 28 plus 1, 29. This is the whole number answer. 29,274. For our question decimal number, that is 4.182 into 7. Multiplicand has 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place. So our answer is changed into 3 decimal place. So we get ones place 1. Answer 29,274 change into 3 decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. So we get 29.274. Okay, listen the fifth question. Question is 2.56 into 4. So here the multiplicand is 2.56. Ignoring the decimal point, we get the whole number 256. Okay, then multiply by 4. 6 4s are 24, 2 balance. 5 4s are 20 plus this 2, 22, 2 again 2 balance. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 10. So all number answer is 1024. But question is decimal number. So 2.56 into 4 equal. Multiplicand has how many decimal place? 1, 2. 2 decimal place. So our answer is changed into 2 decimal place. 1, 2. So we get 10.24. Okay, clear? And let us now multiply decimal with the 2-digit number. So listen the first question. Multiply 4.38 into 39. So here the multiplicand 4.38 and the multiplier 39. So same method in the previous questions. Change into this decimal number or as whole number. So ignoring the decimal point, we get 438 multiplied by 39. Then multiply by 9 by 438. 9 into 8, 72. 7 balance. 9 into 3, 27 plus 7, yes, 34. 3 balance. Then 9 into 4, 36 plus 3, 39. Next, multiply by 3. We get 3 into 9, 8, 24. 2 balance. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 balance. 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 30. So we get adding 2, 4 plus 4, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 balance, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7, this 1. So we get 17,082. But question is decimal number 4.38 into 39. So change into this multiplicand has 2 decimal place. Change into 2 decimal. So we get 1, 2 decimal place. So we get 170.82. Okay. Then listen Next question. Five point multiply 5.006 into 56. So this is the multiplicand. Change into whole number, ignoring the decimal point, we get 5006 into 56. 6 6 are, yes, 36, 3 balance, 6 0, very easy, 0. Listen here, adding this remainder, 0 plus 3, 3. Then 6 into 0, 0. Then 6 into 5, 30. Next, multiply by 5. 5 into 6, 30. 3 balance. 5 into 0, 0. But the plus this remainder 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 5, yes, 25. Addition, adding 6. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 0, 0. 3 plus 5, 8. Then this 2. See, answer is 2,80,336. Change into decimal number. See question, 5.006 into 56. So here the multiplicand has 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal. So change 1, 2, 3. Here point. So we get 280.336. See students, the multiplication by the numbers with 3 more digits, 3 or more digits, same as this method. Okay. Multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point moves to the right by 1 place. When a decimal number is multiplied by 100, the decimal point moves to the right by 2 places. When a decimal number is multiplied by 1000, the decimal point moves to the right by 3 places. Next is multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Listen to the first question. Question is 140.8 into 10. Listen, very easy multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Listen, this is the point. Okay, this is the point. This portion, after this portion is this portion. After this portion is right side of the decimal point, right portion. Clear? And this portion before the decimal point, that is the left portion. Clear all of you? This is the decimal point after the decimal. This is the right portion and this is the right portion and before the decimal point, this is the left portion. So, here the question is 14.8 into 10. Listen, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point move right by 1 place. See 10. How many 0? 1 0. Change into 1 decimal place. Where? Right. So, we get 14. This point is moved to right 1 place. So, 148.0. That is equal to 148 answer. Clear? One more question. 5.32 into 10 equal. So here decimal number 5.32 multiplied by 10. So the decimal point move to the right by one place. So this right portion, this portion, one place. So this is the first one place. So we get 53.2. Clear all of you? One place. Right, one place. One more question. Listen. 4.732 into 10 equal. So into 10, here 1 0. So this one decimal place move to right one place. So we get this is the first place, move one place. So we get 47.32. Okay. Next listen. Fourth question. 5.3 into 100. See, 1 after how many 0? 2 0. So, when a decimal number is multiplied by 100, the decimal point moves to the right by 2 decimal place. See, so this point moves to right 2 decimal place. Here only one number is here. So we need one more number. Put 1 0. Okay. Then put point 0. That is equal to 530. Answer. Okay. Then fifth question listen. 56.32 into 100. See 100. So the decimal point moves to right by 2 decimal place. 1 2. So 56. Decimal point change into 2 place right. So we get 3 first number, 2 second number, point 0. No number is there, so put point then 0. After the point 0, so we can write as whole number. No decimal part. So whole number 5632. Then listen to sixth question. 39.134 into 100. 1 after 2 0. So multiply by 100. Moves the decimal point to place right. First number, second number. So this point moves to here. So we get the answer equal 39.13.4. Okay. Then listen. Next, seventh question. 4.38 into 1000. See, 1 after how many 0? 3 0. That means multiply by the decimal number by 1000. Yes, the decimal point moves to how many place? 3 place. Where? Right by 3 place. So, equal to, so this point moves to 3 place, right? 1 2. 2 place is here. So, we want one more number. Put, yes, 0. So, we get 4 3 8 0. 1 2 3 place. Then put point 0. After the point 0, that means no decimal part is there. So, answer is 4380. Okay. Then, Listen one more question. 38.132 into 1000. Multiply by 1000. Change into 3 decimal place. Right here 1, 2, 3. This is the decimal point. Change into right 1, 2, 3 place. So we get 38.132 point 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. Okay, then point 0. That means 38,132 answer. Okay, clear? Multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, all of you? Multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Multiply the two decimal as we multiply all numbers. Place the decimal point so as to obtain as many decimal place in the product as there are in the multiplicand and the multiplier together. Let us do the multiplication of decimal number by another decimal number. Listen the question. Multiply 15.8 into 1.32. See, the multiplicand and the multiplier both are decimal number. So, first multiply these two decimal lines as we multiply as whole number. Then, so change into this as whole number, ignoring the decimal point. So we get 158 into next number, ignoring the decimal point, we get the whole number 132. Multiply first by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 balance. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Again 1 balance. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 3. Then 3 8s are 24. Yes, 2 balance. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17. 1 balance. 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4. Next 1 8 is 8. Write in 100 place. 1 5 is 5 and 1 1 is 1. Then adding 6. 1 plus 4 5. 3 plus 7 10 plus 8 18. 1 balance. Okay, that is 1 is balance. Balance 1. 1. So 1 plus 4 5 plus 5 10. 1 balance. So 1 plus 1 2. We get the whole number 20,856. But question is 15.8 into 1.32. So the first multiplicand has how many decimal place? Yes, 1 decimal place. Okay, 1 decimal place. Then the second decimal number has how many decimal place? 1 2. 2 decimal place. Okay, adding 1 decimal place, multiplicand has 1 decimal place, multiplier has 2 decimal place. 1 plus 2, 3 decimal place. We want to change this answer. 3 decimal place. Okay. So we get 15.8 into 1.32 equal. Change into 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. We get 20.856. Clear all of you? So, first multiply the two decimal numbers as we like us the multiplication of all numbers, then place the decimal point. Listen, place the decimal point so as many decimal place in the product as there in the multiplicand and the multiplier together. Here multiplicand has 1 decimal place, multiplier has 2 decimal place. So total 1 plus 2, 3 decimal places in answer. Okay. Then listen another one question. $39.3 into 3.01. 39.3 into 3.01. So first write as whole number 393 into 301. So first as write as in whole number. Then multiply. 1 3 is 3, 1 9 is 9, 1 3 is 3. 0 into 3 0, 0 into 9 0, 0 into 3 0. 0 multiply by any number, answer 0. 3 into 3 9, 3 into 9 27, 2 balance, then 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11. So adding 3 9, 3 plus 0 0 plus 9 12, 1 balance, then 1 plus 0 0, 0 plus 7 8, then this 1 1. Okay, then question is 39.3 into 3.01. See, here the multiplicand has after the point 1 decimal place, multiplier has 1 2 point. So 1 plus this point multiplier 2, 1 plus 2, 3 point we want to change this answer. So 1 2 3. So answer is 118.293. Okay, listen this word problem. The length of the rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? So here given the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 1 centimeter. Then breadth is 2.5 centimeter. So we want to find out area. You studied in the earlier class area of the rectangle equal. Yes, area of the rectangle equal length into breadth. Okay, area of the rectangle equal length into breadth. So we want length and breadth. So write the first step. Length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal 7.1 centimeter. And given breadth of the rectangle equal 2.5 centimeter. Then area of the rectangle equal length into breadth equal to 7.1 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter. Take the product of 7.1 into 2.5. So first change into this as whole number. 71 into 25. Then multiply 1 into 5, 5, 7 into 5, 35. Then 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 7, 14. 5, 7, 7, 1. Okay. Then question in decimal number. So this multiplicand has how many decimal place? 1 decimal place. This multiplicand has multiplier has 1 decimal place. So adding 2 decimal place, change into the answer. 1, 2, 2 change. So our answer is 17.75. Listen, area write in units, given centimeter, centimeter. So area is centimeter square. Okay, your today's homework question. Okay, write the relevant points and exercise in your notebook. Thank you.